You are super excited to launch your YouTube channel. You can't wait to upload and publish that first video and get lots and lots of views. I mean, you've seen the ads. You can 100 times your YouTube growth if you just follow this plan. Well, in today's video, I'm gonna tell you the truth about having a YouTube channel. Hey guys, my name is Trina and welcome to another episode of Just the Tips. Here on my channel, I help lady business owners figure out this crazy online world so we can have more time doing the things we love. And YouTube has been one of my biggest platforms to really draw in clients while I cook dinner or play with my kids to do the things I love. But there is no easy button with YouTube. I can't give you a silver bullet or the secret to succeeding in YouTube. In fact, nobody can really do that because to have a successful YouTube channel, it takes some work. You can't just put a video up and get tens of thousands of views. But today I've got 3 things that you can try to help your channel grow faster than what it would by just posting a video, right? So tip number 1 is try new things. When you're just getting started on YouTube, you're not really sure what's gonna work for you, what's gonna work for your audience, so try a couple of different things. Have some talking head videos like this one. Maybe do a tutorial where you share your screen, or maybe even do a vlog style video where you just bring people behind the scenes carrying your camera and talking to the camera. By doing these different types of videos, you're gonna see what your audience is really responding to by seeing the views on those videos. Tip number 2 is to ask for feedback. Obviously, you're going to be a little biased about your own content and you're going to think it's the best thing ever and it's the best thing on YouTube. But you need to get some unbiased opinion. Ask some friends or maybe a business friend. I actually have a Facebook group, Video for Biz Crew, where you can post your videos, ask for feedback, and we can really give you some honest feedback to see how you can improve your videos. Because if you aren't improving your videos and you're not getting views to start with, you're never really going to start growing that channel if you don't make some changes. The third tip is to have a blueprint. You need to go into YouTube having a strategy. My biggest strategy secret is to think in playlists. These are all different series of videos that I'm creating that gets people watching more of my videos. This is kind of like a Netflix strategy, right? Where you get on a Netflix and you just binge. The more people watch your video and watch your channel, the more YouTube is going to promote your channel to people searching for things similar to your content, because that's the goal of YouTube, is to keep people on the platform. So if you want to make sure that your YouTube channel is set up for success, I have a free checklist for you. You can grab it right up here. It's my YouTube newbie checklist. It has 10 things you need to make sure you've done on your channel to make sure it's set up to get those views and subscribers as you get started. I'll link it down in the description box below, and like I said, it's in that card up above. My question of the day for you is, what is your YouTube channel about? Whether you have one launched already or you're planning a launch, let me know what your channel is going to be about down in the comment section. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying these YouTube tips. Click subscribe for more tips every single week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!